Hello everyone, Azaware, and in this video, yes, you are right, I'm going to unbox my first ever Skewb. Let's open this thing. Wow, it's a nice case. Okay, now, can someone tell me? Oh, okay. Ooh, wow, this thing looks sick. Okay, it's got pretty bright shades which I love. These shades are my favorite as usual. I love the shades and I love the box even more. Okay, so wait, how does this thing even turn? Okay, so it's pretty sandy out of the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, what am I even doing? Can someone tell me? So I think that was a sledgehammer. I don't know. Okay, so this thing turns pretty confusingly. Okay, so according to me, it turns like this whole thing turns, and yeah, probably like that. Okay, so I don't really know how to solve a Skewb till now, so I'll just talk about the like the turning and the stuff like that. Okay, so what color are the internals again? Okay, yeah, they're like normal cubes only, I guess. And this is my first ever X-Man cube. This is the QiYi X-Man Wingy Skewb. It's a concave magnetic cube. It's a concave cube, so yeah, it helps me gripping it because I grip my Skewb like this. I'd grip my Skewb like this, so yeah. It's got like a really nice concave feeling, which makes it look like so 100 times cooler than a normal Skewb. Honestly, I love the X-Man logo on it. Talking about the turning, this cube is pretty sandy out of the box. This will probably go after I lube it. Like sandy feeling in cubes are pretty like common now. So I'll just lube this cube real quick. I'll bring my lube. So here I've got my DNM 37 and I'll just put 2 drops of it in. Okay, now how do you put a lube in this thing? Ah, that was close. One and 2. There we go. That's 2 drops of lube in. Hopefully the sandy feeling gets stops. I've been practicing Skewb since a week and I've improved a lot, honestly. I haven't faced a single issue with this Skewb. It's so good. It's so comfortable to my hands. If you want a really good Skewb, you should go for this one. Hope you all enjoyed me unboxing my first ever Skewb. For more such videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye.